How to disable app offloading on iPad. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from Solution Guy, and in today's guide video I will show you how you can disable the app offloading on your iPad. But before we get started, as always, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like and hit that subscribe button. And without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So first of all, if you don't know what app offloading is, it basically means that whenever you don't use a certain app on your iPad for a while, your iPad is going to automatically offload that app if you have enabled it. But let's say that you're annoyed by the feature, you're annoyed by having to reinstall the application every time you open it. If that is the case, make sure to watch this video till the end, because I will show you how you can disable the app offloading on your iPad. In order to do that, the very first thing, we are going to start off by launching the settings app on our iPad. Now first of all, if I go ahead and then if I am on the general tab, I will go to iPad storage, and you'll be able to see a list of different apps over here. If you want to offload any of these basically manually, you could tap on it and tap on the offload app button, which you see at the very top of the screen. But let's say that is not what you are looking for. Well, in that case, what we have to do is under settings, we have to go ahead and look for the app called App Store. So as you can see, the app right over here, which is App Store, you want to simply tap on it. As soon as you tap on App Store, you'll be able to see a bunch of various options, and what you have to do is you'll find this option which says Offload Unused Apps. So you can see it says automatically remove unused apps but keep all the documents and data. Reinstalling the app will place back your data if the app is still available in App Store. So offloading will not basically remove your data, it is only going to remove the app, and whenever you want to use the app, you would basically need to reinstall it again. But don't worry, you will not lose your login data, any of the downloads which you have placed within that particular app. But if you were still annoyed by the feature, then we will simply turn off this toggle right over here. If it is turned on, it is going to be highlighted in green, and if it is turned off, it is basically going to get grayed out. And this is how you could very easily disable app offloading on your iPad. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.